Division of fractions. Hello everyone, this is Sir James. Welcome to our math video tutorials. For today's lesson, you will learn how to divide fractions with or without regrouping. Let us begin. Let's try this first example. 1/3 divided by 2/5. To divide fractions, first step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor or the second fraction. But how are we going to get the reciprocal of a fraction? Let's have a quick review. To get the reciprocal of a fraction, we just simply switch the position of the numerator and the denominator. There. Now, the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. Now, let us go back to our problem. Let's get the reciprocal of the divisor 2/5. There you go. The next step is you need to change the operation to multiplication. And it's time to multiply the numerators and the denominators. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Since our answer is already in the lowest term, this is now our final answer. Now, let's have more example. Let's try 3/7 divided by 3/5. Again, what is our first step? You are right. We need to get the reciprocal of the divisor 3/5. Let us switch the numerator and the denominator. There. Now let's change division to multiplication. Let us multiply the numerators and the denominators. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21. Is this our final answer? No, not yet. We can divide 15 and 21 by their greatest common factor, which is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now, this is our final answer. Great job! Hope you have learned something today. Here are the things that you have learned today.